you can see, well, I have to look underneath. It looks like it's caught somewhere. Oh no, there we go.
There she is.
Ooh. Got herself a storage unit here, guys. I don't know what. It kind of looks a mess, doesn't it? Not cool. The lady's very concerned. No kids her whole life. She wants some ashes. It's a nice chair right off the bat. Boots and shoes. Alright, we got some shoes. So I did get the lady's number, and I might be willing. I don't like the idea of saying, hey, we got stuff to do today. Like, I'm already in a pickle. I'm here. I waited 4 days to pay. I can't just expect her to have money. She would have paid. She had her chance to pay and she didn't. So what am I supposed to do? It looks like something I'd probably sell back to her so far. I don't see any gems right off the bat. Those look kind of nice. There's a bug in there. But I want you guys to know something. I created the very first storage-based platform for live selling and buy it now. It's called bidswipe.net. Link is in the description. Link is in the comments. It is owned by me. Oh my God. So these are the footprints for the animal. I'm just already kind of turned off by that. I don't even know. It's a nice little radio flyer, well protected. Look at the wheels all wrapped up. That's 20-30 bucks right there. Bummer. That was very chunky. One box to make everything all right. That's kind of nice. Wow, all that for what? Holy shit. There's nothing in this fucking thing. Well, this is the first cool thing I've seen here, is this pair of gold-filled glasses. It'd be nice if we found a bunch more stuff like that. Don't see any jewelry in the spawn. Just stepped on that stupid teriyaki shit. So far, guys, this is all bad, and I don't even know what to say. I can't bring myself to film units for y'all that I just don't see nothing in, and it's like a tragedy. This is what happens. This is mail. People collect and hoard this stuff, and now she wants to buy it back, and they stored this since 2018. And this is the big dilemma in the storage business a lot of people don't see, and I don't even know what to say, you know? Like it's bad. It is what it is. I'm not complaining. I know somebody will be like, you are just complaining. I'm just being honest. Somebody has to tell the truth. You just like, people get mad, people hype it, and people get mad if you're honest. Where does that leave us? This is a waste of $1,000. Basic tier 1 import dishes. Trying to keep it positive and just move it, guys. Like I said, I'm thinking I'm gonna see if she wants it for whatever I paid for it. Because, oh, that would be cool. A Bogan tripod. That's almost $100 right there. Go. It's missing parts. Never mind. And that was almost cool. Could have been something good. Signs of potential of jewelry, something that would save us. A Bukowski. There's a good little, should buy a Goodwill. Something good. This in here. Oh, almost a little piece of jewelry in a Native American thing. That's kind of tight. Some zigzags and a box of weed. Where's the rest of that camera at, though? Almost. Almost something good. It's almost getting better. Oh, sorry. Smells like paper, probably. Nope. Freaking weights. We're just going through it, guys. That's how we got to do it. Open it, close it. A Bible. We got to get to the bottom of things quick and efficiently. Get back to do a show. It says Chevy on it. Almost a cool item here. Almost a cool item. That's
a nice little Bel Air.
Nice little $20. We're getting our money back, guys. We're like a quarter of the way there.
Little by little.
Little by little. Let me throw something else in here.
Yeah. Hold on now. This might be something. That's one of those fancy hats.
Security. Top flight security.
That's perfect.
This one's marked Mom's. And it's not what I would hope to find in Mom's box. Samesies. Clothes. What do we got here? Maybe something cool? Agent Orange. Okay. Can we get something else good? Mi Hermano. That's almost cool. Something to save us. Horton Company. Alright. Derby dolls. We're getting somewhere. We almost got something cool here. Be a Grateful Dead shirt. Provoke. Okay. Something. Fox Riders. Santa Cruz. Some vintage shirts. That's almost cool. That's almost cool. SF Fire Department. That's kind of nice. All right. Something, a glimmer of hope here. A glimmer of hope. Ooh. Almost overlooked this. Marvel. Wow. Okay. And the family tree. I give you. Okay, the Griswolds. Almost got something cool here. I have to double check these shirts because it's been the only cool thing so far.
A nice little snoop on the bottom there.
That's kind of nice. Ooh, Harley Davidson, New York. Are we gonna pull off some form of a W here? China Grow, okay. USA. Kinda cool. Okay. These are almost vintagey. Let's get one banger. Where's that heart-shaped box? That's kind of cool. Oh. A little life in the unit here. A little life. Not much. Not much. So, this person said, no kids, no marriage, but I see stuff that kind of felt like kids, because it said like mom on it and a lot of names, like I think the person's name is Elijah, but the weird stories they always tell. It gives hope that maybe there's some good stuff in the other clothes bags. Flip-flop shelf. Do you like this weird little, like, I don't know, call it the Hardy or whatever? Ed Hardy, is that what it is? Is that the one? That last one in the corner there? The black one? Is that the one right there? Is that the Game Saver? Where's this? Damn, there was jewelry at some point. Empty boxes. Hot box. Yeah, keep trying to throw up as much as you can so if we can leave a floor room by chance, but I don't know if we'll be able to. This shit sucks, bro. Guys, please give the mother of jewelry in that stairlight box. Basic. Almost got a Wedgwood vibe to it. That was going to be some Tier 1 impulse dishes. No, more back. What is this? Be something, right? Be something. Be it. Last chance for romance. Nope. It wasn't it. So we got some gold-filled glasses. We got a pretty decent camera lens, I'm hoping. I didn't even take a look at it. Oh, it's the camera. No, it's a Canon EOS Rebel. Probably 30 bucks. We got the Wen. That's probably 25, 30 bucks. And I'm hoping a few bucks in these shirts. We'll look at them later. And I did find a tiniest piece of what looks like Native American piece there. And this whole pile of shirts. That's the money. That's everything in that one tote. All right, there we go. Leaving the personal paperwork like always. This isn't the video you wanted to see, but it might be the video you needed to see. I've been saying for some time, the storage business is the worst it's ever been. I don't want to scare you all to get into it, but someone's got to be honest, and I'm that guy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and say something pretty.